how to make money on Upwork with digital marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button to proceed to setting up our profile that will allow us to make money. So here the first step is to join as a freelancer, not a client. So here go with I'm a freelancer looking for work. Click on apply as a freelancer, and here you fill this usual information: the first name, last name, email, password, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to log in. Here type your email, click on continue, type the password and log in. Then you will proceed to setting up your profile. So here I'm going to start from the first steps. This is the last step of setting up the profile. We're going to talk about it later. So let's start from the first steps, from the beginning. So here, this is the first step. Here you get started by clicking on the get started button. Then you proceed to answer these questions. You have here a few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? I'm just going to skip these questions for now. They are not very important. Skip those as well. And here, choose one of those or choose both of them. Then you check this box. Also, then click on next to create a profile. And here you have three options to choose from. If you want to import your resume from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So I'm going to take the third option. I prefer it most. Start a new profile, and here you fill the skill that you have. What's your professional role? If you are a software engineer or a digital marketer, like me, digital marketer, then click on next to add your experience. And here you can add a relevant work experience if you have it. If not, just skip that. Skip for now. And then you proceed to add in your education in here. If you have a degree or any relevant education, helps to make your profile more visible to people or to possible clients. I'm just going to skip this as well. Then here you choose the languages that you speak or that you know, like the English. So English, guys, in this platform is a must. You can't work in here without the English language. And here you choose the proficiency, your level in that language. For me, it's conversational. Then you add another language if you have one. So here I know Arabic, for example, and my level is native. Then click on next to add your skills. And here let's go with digital marketing strategy and digital marketing as well. The maximum is 15 skills. Then next, write an overview. So here the overview is very important to help people get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit this later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, some bullet points, some things about you, your experience, and all of that. So in order to write a good or to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, give it a little information about you, your situation, what do you want to do, what you know to do, and just tell it to give you a bio for your Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. And for me, I'm just going to steal your bio, my friend Marty. Sorry for that, but this is just an example. I don't want to waste your time by typing a bio, so just get done with that now. Next, choose your category. So here you search for a service, or just choose the one that is suggested for you. Then you set your rate. So here you have the hourly rate in here. Let's say $20 for example. Upwork takes $2 and you have $18 left. Then you proceed to add in your photo and location, and make sure when you upload your photo, show clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, crop photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind, guys. And it's preferably to upload a professional picture of you, like standing with your costume or with your suit or a professional wear. That's a good picture to upload. After that, you click on review your profile. And in order to improve your profile, you will need just to go. First, I'm going to log out to show you how you can improve your profile. So you will just need to go to the search bar in here, type digital marketing, and check all of the competitors in the same market, like these ones, like Monique or Claudia, Avijit. So all of the people in your market or in your niche that have the same skill, check their profiles, see what are they doing, and see what are you doing wrong. Check their description, the profile picture as well, how they are interacting with possible clients or with their clients, and you can improve based on that. You can improve your profile based on all of this. So as you can see, this is his hourly rate. So we give ourselves, we put a very outrageous hourly rate. So it's just $4. We put $20. That's a mistake. We will need to change that. And you will do the same with other things. And when you improve your profile, when you need to find work, you just go to find work in here, click on the middle option, find work for your skills. And here you just type your skill like digital marketing, and you'll have a lot of jobs listed for you. You can apply for them and see if they need someone to work for them. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.